Hey, what's up, everyone? Angel from Resolve here, and today's a really exciting day. The Quest 3 has officially hit the shelves. If you pre ordered one, you should be getting one today or in the next few days. And if you haven't, I recommend you go and check one out at your local retailer or just order one. I am excited to announce that the latest update to the Resolve app on the Quest Store did make it compatible with the Quest 3. A little overview on some of my favorite features for the Quest 3. It has a much stronger processor than the Quest 2. The color pass-through also packs a punch, especially for the form factor that you're getting here. It's a very light and thin device, and it's only 499 USD, which makes it a really powerful device that you can keep at your desk and you can use to review your BIM files with Resolve. As you know, you can take any of your 3D BIM files and then review them on a device like the Quest 3 without any cables, completely wirelessly. You heard right. On this device, this portable, wireless, standalone VR headset, you can review your largest Navisworks models, your Revit files, and walk through them, marking issues up as if they were already built so that you can fix these issues in the design process. Over $30 billion in construction projects have already used Resolve. And today I'm excited to give you a little overview of the Resolve app and a very large Navisworks file running on the Quest 3. I know you want to see what a large Navisworks file would look like on the Quest 3, so let's dive into it. I'm going to show you this Navisworks file, which is a factory campus running on the Quest 3. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you a few things. This file is about half a gigabyte large. If we open up the scene statistics in Navisworks, we can see it's got about 100 million triangles. If I pan around the file here, you'll see that there's a lot of equipment in these buildings. Let me hide some of these ceilings here. It's a dense file. There's a lot of building equipment in there, ductwork, structural elements, and we're going to open up this entire campus in the Quest 3. Okay, now you can see that I'm in the Robot Factory campus. The Navisworks file that I just had opened is now running on my Quest 3, and my equipment has come in correctly. And as I look around, all of my elements are there. So this is the Resolve app running on the Quest 3. And I'm going to go ahead and teleport over to this other robotic arm. Everything is here. If I go to the Resolve app, I can click on the map and you can see that we've loaded in the entire campus. I'm in just one of the buildings, but if I zoom out, I can click here and go to one of the other buildings in this facility. And I can use all of Resolve's features. So I've got speech to text annotations so that if I find a safety issue, I can mark it up. Our preset annotations, we can sketch on the model. We can make measurements all within this wireless VR headset without the need for a computer running a half a gigabyte Navisworks file. Resolve is also entirely collaborative. If I look down at my arms, you can see that my avatar has loaded in. And if my colleagues were in here with me, we'd be able to review the model together. Resolve is also going to bring in all the model metadata. So if I click on this base here, I get information about the original element, and that's all coming from the Navisworks file, which in this case was imported to Autodesk Construction Cloud and then linked to Resolve. So all of Resolve's basic features are there. On the Quest 3, the first thing that jumps out to me is just how much sharper the image is. Everything looks more crisp. Things on our menu, the text is a lot sharper. And when you open things like the mini map, you also just get a much higher fidelity image on the screen. One of the best parts of the Quest 3 is the color pass-through. Here you can see that I've got the model in dollhouse mode. And if I click our AR button, now I've overlaid it into the real world. And I can move this section plane up, but I could also bring in one of these robots' arm into focus and put it in my room. And the color is incredible. It adds a new dimension to the pass-through functionalities, all on a $499 device, which I think is really impressive. I'm going to jump back down to the model here. The Quest 3, it's an awesome device. It is way more comfortable, way lighter. You saw some of the color pass through. You see how much sharper the image looks. And when you couple that with Resolve's Wellington engine, where we're able to open your largest BIM files on the device, it makes it one of the best choices out on the market right now, because you can just leave it at your desk and jump into a model when you need it. That's a quick overview of how you can get huge Navisworks files into your Quest 3 if you've got one. But Resolve also works with the Quest Pro and the Quest 2. The support for those isn't going anywhere. If you have a Quest 3 and you've tried Resolve, let us know what you think. We're really excited to keep pushing the boundaries of what you can do and make sure that you are reviewing your BIM efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.